Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to show you guys how to install a GS-100A on a Kawasaki Z650. So the Z650, it took me a few trial and error on how to get this done, but it's pretty easy. I just couldn't really find something for our bikes. So basically, you're gonna have 3 wires. You're gonna have a red, a blue, and then yellow and black. So the red is the constant always on power. So I tried to do that red on red and it didn't really work. So you don't want to cut the red. You want to cut the blue and the black and yellow. So basically you just find the wire, you make your cuts, and I'm going to do a better job at getting this put together. I was just testing it for you guys and so you can get an idea. So this one's on. That's it flashing. And then always on. So like I said, so all you want to do, don't cut the red, cut the blue, put the controller this way, in this orientation. The red goes to the blue, the black goes to the yellow and black. This is your ground, this is your power. Constant. So this is the one that always goes on. Because what was happening for me was that it was blinking when the signal was first being sent, and not when I press the brake. So yeah, that's just basically how it's done. I'm gonna put this back together and I'll show you the result. Alright, and just like that, it's done. I ended up just splicing the wires together, and then using some electrical tape to get it done. So basically, when you turn the car on, sorry for the broken mirror, just stay on, press the brake. That was awesome. It'll make you a lot safer. Let me see if I can get a shot of it from right here. Do something now. So on. Alright, hopefully this video helped you guys out. Have any questions, just put it down in the comments.